In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony A6700 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your A6700 wirelessly when connected to an iPhone. This will work with any iPhone model and even an iPad, so just follow these instructions and you will be able to get it done. So first, download the Sony Creators app. To properly manage the camera, do remote shootings, import pictures, and so on, you will have to connect it through the Sony Creators app. So once you have this downloaded from the App Store, open it up, and immediately you will see the option to connect to your camera, setup, and remote camera control. Now, you will see a list of all Sony cameras, including, of course, the A6700. So just find that particular camera model or any other one that you are using from the list and select it. Once you choose your particular camera model, leave this on standby. You will be given instructions on what you have to do, but on the camera itself, go over to the network category, so this little globe icon. Inside of network, choose connection/PC remote, and inside of this menu, you will find smartphone connection. This is where you will be able to set up your camera wirelessly. So choose smartphone connection from this list under the connection menu. Now, a QR code will be generated. Usually, you have to manually scan this QR code, but most of the time, you can also just leave it in close proximity and automatically your smartphone should pair up with the camera as long as it is on standby on this menu. Regardless, just look at your phone screen and see if you need to follow manual steps or if it automatically pops up like this. Select an accessory and then you can choose the 6700. If it doesn't appear, then scan the QR code using your camera. Once you choose the camera from the list of accessories, it is going to remain connected. You will see the label here, connected via Bluetooth. You will see the battery levels, the storage being used, remote shooting, import, camera settings, and so on. And it is going to remain connected until the connection is manually broken. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us run the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.